guys, Trafford Faces here and welcome to day 4 of exploring Greater Manchester by train. Today we are off to Manchester United football ground, Trafford Park and Moulderford. So we're on the Transport for Wales from Chester to Manchester Piccadilly, so I'll see you there. Okay, so we've made it finally to Manchester Piccadilly after like an hour's ride on there. So for the first time on the series, we are going to go on a tram. So I'll see you at the trams. Okay, so we're at the Piccadilly tram stop now. We are going to Old Trafford, so we're getting on our Altrincham train, or tram, down to Old Trafford. So I'll see you on the tram.
This is a service to Altrincham.
Okay, so we're on 31 and we are, the next stop is Piccadilly Gardens, but we're getting off at Old Trafford. Okay, so the reason why we are getting off at Old Trafford is because we are going to do a 10-minute walk to Manchester United football ground because it doesn't see any trains and somehow it's still an actual station even though it stopped serving trains in 2018. So I don't know what's going to go on about that, but yeah, right, I'll see you at Old Trafford, I guess. Right, we're at Old Trafford. Right, we're going to walk over to Manchester United now. So, right over there, if you can just see over there, that's Manchester United. There is actually a match on right now, but obviously the station is closed. So, Manchester United, it has one platform and it sees northern only trains, and it used to only see football services for Manchester United. So just have a little peer over that wall, then obviously you can see that Manchester United is over here, just like so. Okay, so we are now back at Old Trafford and we're going to Stratford tram stop to walk to Trafford Park. So yeah, I tried to get a station still for you, but obviously the station I don't think could have been seen, so I don't know what's going to happen about that. I don't know. But yeah, Old Trafford, Zone 2 station. Okay, so we are getting on the last tram, unfortunately. 30:49, taking us to Stratford. And it's busy. Right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to walk from Stratford here to Trafford Park railway station. Let's go. I think we've walked less than 17 minutes that it's told us, because we're now outside of Trafford Park and the sign is covered up by some construction or scaffolding, whatever it is. Oh well. Right, let's get up into the platform. Okay, so finally made it to Trafford Park. It's been hecked. So Trafford Park has 2 platforms and sees northern trains every 2 hours. So yeah, Trafford Park, finally completed that one, because I wanted to get this one ticked off out of the way, because it's 2 hours obviously, and I would not like to spend 2 hours at this kind of station. It doesn't look that nice. Anyway, so yeah, Trafford Park. These are the stupidest shelters ever. Look at the seats.
And
oh
welcome
God.
To
scrum time at Trafford Park. Okay, so we're getting on the train now. It is 156415, which is also an ex-EMR library. Not library, interior. Also, you're getting on 156401, which is another. We're going on the back. Okay, so we've only just realised that I've not ticked off Manchester Oxford Road yet. So, Manchester Oxford Road, it has 5 platforms, Northern, I want to say Transport 9 as well, and Transport for Wales, and East Midlands Railway trains. So, Manchester Oxford Road, as I said, we're getting on 331010, and it's the proud to be helping, aka NHS, we thank you. Let's get on. Over here. Let's go. Okay, so guys, I'm on whatever, train 323, and I'm already going to say this because things can happen. I'm going to skip Malta for today, so I've only visited like 2 stations today. So thank you guys for watching this short video of EGMPT. I'll see you guys for day 5 for either EMPT or EGMPT. Bye guys.